This world is so colorful and we experience this through our eyes. We can understand something, estimate its shape, color, distance, and many other physical characteristics by analyzing it with our eyes. But when we talk about space, which help us understand this space, these telescopes reveal the history of the universe. Recently, on December 25th, in 2021, the largest, most expensive, and most ambitious telescope to date, the James Webb Space Telescope, was launched. It is believed that it will be able to look back 13.6 billion years into this universe. That means we will be able to see the universe 100 to 200 million years after the Big Bang with this telescope. If we talk about the mission of the James Webb Space Telescope, this telescope will try to observe the first light of this universe, and those objects will also be studied which came into existence just after the Big Bang. After all, what were those celestial objects that were formed first in this universe after the Big Bang? This telescope will find out how galaxies were formed and how they evolved. After all, why did a black hole become the center of a galaxy? Why did galaxies evolve along with black holes, or did black holes come to the center of galaxies later? James Webb Space Telescope will also be used to study the atmosphere of exoplanets. And if we are talking about exoplanets, how can our own solar system be left out? The solar system's planets will be studied with unknown outcomes. The clouds of doubt surrounding the theory of Planet 9 might also clear up a bit with this telescope. What I mean is that we might also get some important information about Planet 9. And last but not the least, dark matter. The James Webb Space Telescope will locate the evidence of dark matter, and then that area will be studied deeply. It is believed that this telescope will definitely work for the next 5 years. But it is hoped that it will continue to serve for more than 10 years, but that's a matter for the future. Now let's talk about where the James Webb Space Telescope is right now and what it is doing. So right now, the James Webb Space Telescope is at the L2 Lagrange point and has started carrying out its operations. And along with that, its mirror segments are being cooled down even further. After deploying its primary and secondary mirrors, this telescope has also captured its first image. Actually, its NIR-CAM, the near-infrared camera, has captured the first photon of starlight that created this image. Yes, this image is of a single star, but the 18 segments of its mirror have created their own separate copies of the image. This image is blurry and jumbled too, and you won't believe it, but this is exactly what the National Aeronautics and Space Administration team expected. They wanted to see exactly this kind of image. Actually, these 18 images are because of the misalignment of all 18 segments, and through this, now these segments will be focused at one place. However, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration team has not called this the first light image because these are coming from a star in outer space. These are photons, not the first light. The NIR-CAM of James Webb Space Telescope has captured the photons of a star, and the name of that star is High Definition 84406, which is located near the Big Dipper constellation and is a G-type main sequence star. That means it's somewhat like our sun. National Aeronautics and Space Administration further informed that when the process of capturing this image began on February 2nd, the telescope was repointed at about 156 locations where this star could have been. During this strenuous 25-hour process, the raw data from Chonjivi was transmitted, and finally, in the end, they succeeded in locating that star. National Aeronautics and Space Administration aligned the star with each mirror segment of the telescope, and this process took a total of 6 hours. And finally, by combining all those images, a single final mosaic was created in which the star captured by each segment could be seen. You will be amazed to know that this large image was made up of 2 billion pixels. After this, the next step came. During segment image identification, it will be identified which image was actually produced by this mirror segment. Currently, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration website is showing the status of this phase as ongoing. It is still in its initial phase. This image will be fine-tuned further, then the next step will follow. During step number 2, the process of segment alignment will eliminate large positioning errors, and the images of the star will also be realigned according to this mirror. Well, for now, even during this phase, all the segments of the telescope will not work together as a single mirror. Then after this, it will be time for the third step, image stacking. And in this phase, all the segments of the telescope will be focused at the same spot. and then the James Webb Space Telescope will be ready to take its next sharp image, and all its segments will work like a single mirror. For now, James Webb Space Telescope needs to reach its optimal operating temperature to work properly, and that temperature is minus 370 degrees Fahrenheit, but James Webb Space Telescope is still 60 degrees warmer. Gradually, it will also reach that temperature. However, James Webb has already imaged star high definition 84406, but at the same time, it has also clicked a selfie, which you can see on your screen. In this selfie, all the segments of the telescope's primary mirror are visible. This selfie has been clicked. This is made possible with the help of a special pupil imaging lens installed in the NR cam. These blurry images received from the James Webb Space Telescope are strong evidence of this. This telescope is working perfectly fine, and now there is a big and powerful telescope in space to explore the history of the universe. So friends, what do you think? Be sure to tell us about this telescope in the comments section. Updates about the James Webb Space Telescope will keep coming like this. If you want to suggest a topic to us, write the topic and then write your topic. We will try to bring the video soon and you will get a sweet shout out. So friends, if you like this video, make sure to like the video and share it with your friends. For more such informative videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification. Friends, we'll meet again with another informative video like this. Until then, stay